existentialism in Waiting for Godot. Uh, Waiting for Godot is a play by Samuel Beckett. It is a very interesting play. It is an absurd play, so the importance of the play as an existential drama lies in the multiplicity of meaning which critics have discovered in it. Some characters from the play: Lucky, Estragon, Pozo, and Vladimir. And there are another two character names. Uh, Boy, who is the messenger, and Godot. Godot, the character will never appear in the whole play. Existentialism. When we are talking about existentialism, then let's see the definition of the existentialism. Existentialism is a philosophical theory that people, free agent who have a control over their choice and action. It is all about the freedom and choice and action. So through that, one can show his or her existence. Some philosopher on the existentialism who contribute their work on that, like Kierkegaard, Albert Camus, Martin Heidegger, Jean-Paul Sartre. Uh, in the Waiting for Godot, both the characters are waiting for Godot. Now, question is that who is Godot? Godot is male or female, and where he lies and when he will come into the play. But because the Vladimir and Estragon both are waiting for Godot, and it is a topic for thinking about the existentialism and existence of the Godot. There is something misleading about this printed text. So in the play, they both are waiting for some inevitable, but what is it? If the Godot is inevitable things, then where is he or she? If he has any kind of agenda, sometimes our thinking tell us that it is just elusive, an illusion, nothing more than that. Vladimir and Estragon, who are raw substance of commonly dressed up in accident of occupation role relations, and the time is stopped for the Vladimir, but not the Estragon. So Estragon is a person who said that we have always find something to give the impression we exist. So if we try to show the existence of ourselves, then we try also to impression for the other. So there is a term of the otherness, and on that Sartre gave his contribution. There is a dialogue by Estragon that never neglect the little things of life, but Stephen Hawking point out that this care for the little things of has ultimately made the whole of human existence insignificant by an avoidance of the fundamental question and things of life. So we try to show ourselves and try to impression. Kierkegaard was a philosopher, and he contributed for that. And we can say that his point for that it is very important. So he said that exist means to be processed to becoming something. So we can say that waiting for Godot. This is the process of Vladimir and Estragon to be something, and try to show their exist in the Waiting for Godot. According to Kenner, the play construct about its two actors, Vladimir and Estragon. The condition and the quality of waiting too much so that no one blamed the dramatist perverse whim for the withholding of Godot and disappointment of the expectation, because they are disappointed because of they never see the Godot, and they never met him or her. The long waiting for Godot and who does never appear throughout the play. But there is an entry of boy who is the messenger of Godot, and he said that he will come tomorrow, sir. And still, Vladimir and Estragon are waiting for Godot tomorrow and next tomorrow and next tomorrow, but the Godot will never appear in the play. Waiting for Godot is indeed a play that demonstrates theme of existentialism. Two main characters, played as Vladimir and Estragon, are put into the absurd situation, just like humans have been put in the world without any purpose. They have a purpose to meet Godot, but their situation is very absurd. In whole play, they do nothing to change their miserable condition. Existentialism emphasis on the practice of doing something and creating purpose while accepting existence in this world. Hence, they have a free will to make their life better. And it is say that it is a freedom and choice. They can come out of this situation and can give their lives meaning, but they do nothing but waiting only. Estragon's dialogue is notable in that this regard that nothing happens, nobody comes, nobody goes. It is awful because his life is awful and situation is also awful. Pozo and Lucky both are important characters. Through the character Pozo and Lucky, we can see the situation and master and slave relationship between them. Because Lucky has a freedom and choice to be, to go away from the poser, but he can't, and he never think about that. But he doing same thing through in Act Two as well, because the character poser become blind, but then even he never go away from him and be a slave of him. Confusion. Boy, what am I to tell Mr. Goddard, sir? This is the dialogue from the act 2 at the end, and we can see that Vladimir said that tell him, and he hesitated. Tell him you saw me. There is a act 1. There is a dialogue from by Vladimir that tell him that you saw us, but here we can conclude that Vladimir get his existence and he wants to show his existence. So he said that tell him you saw me, not us. And through the character, in a play, Samuel Bacot, the picture of human of situation of the human mind. Waiting is a desire according to me in this play. Through that, they came to know about the life and absurdity of life. The law of nature will continue going on, and time also going on still and never stop if we are die or live. So necessary things can be absurd, and absurd things can necessary at any time. Work citations.